A dream which can be completed step by step, yet you shouldn't stop. Well, in my college time, I have been there, but not on a bike. So going there with my bike is like just climbing up the ladder to fulfill my dreams. That is to cover all the waterfalls of Eastern Ghats. As we have been there in off season, no people were there, so it gave us enough opportunity to dive within the beauty of our own Eastern Ghats and this waterfall. The slippery surface in Odia language it means Khasada. Hence the name of this waterfall is Khasada waterfall. We have covered almost 180 km till now for this second destination, and third destination is yet to come, but before that we have been to Jirang, the Tibet of Odisha, which I will cover in my next video. Till now, enjoy the scenic beauty of this waterfall. Journey is yet to be continued. I am Alone Traveler. Travel and explore.